Are you dealing with chronic ringing in your ears? If you are, oftentimes people who suffer with tinnitus have other symptoms in combination: vertigo, inner ear pressure or eustachian tube dysfunction, cognitive problems, and headaches and neck pain. And the reason all these things are associated and usually found together is there's a common denominator. There's trouble here in the upper neck. Now, ringing in the ears, there's a muscle in the inner ear called the stapedius. It's called dampening muscle. And when it is chronically tight, like your shoulder muscle can get chronically tight, it can be at the root of the ringing problem. The tone of that muscle is actually controlled in the brainstem right here. So if you're dealing with these types of problems, you've probably been through the mainstream system, you've been to the HENT, maybe you've been given eye exercises for the vestibular trouble, you've been giving painkillers for the neck pain and headaches, but no one's gotten to the root of the issue. This upper cervical spine, this is the atlas right where your head and neck meet, and it holds your head up. And what's inside of this is the brainstem, and it's part of your nervous system that controls everything in your body that you don't consciously control. And so the solution oftentimes in these problems is getting to an upper cervical chiropractor. Our Neckwise upper cervical clinics throughout the country offer free consultation to run you through testing to see if you have a structural misalignment of the skull. And then if you do, 3D imaging is taken to find exactly how you're off, and then a correction is made to restore it back in its normal position, which then allows the body to heal and mend and repair. If this sounds like you, we offer free consultation. Comment free consultation or DM us. We'd love to get you in the office to help.